not even funny. This guy you are seeing, I know one name that you are seeing is a very white. Let's just do the needful.
My name is Chukwuemeka Peter. I'm the state chairman of Labour Party FCT. FCT is being ruled by APC and PDP. But this is a new era where the people want to take the government themselves to form a new Nigeria. Both parties has failed us. And if you should watch, I know, as a journalist, you are feeling it, that there is danger, that the country has collapsed, the economy has collapsed. It is only God who is piloting the affairs of this country. Therefore, the people decided, without a president, without a vice president, without a senator, without a House of Reps, without chairmen and councillors, have decided to say, this time, a man with competency will rule this country. The emergence of Peter Obi in the political hemisphere of Labour Party and the Nigerian entirety is a blessing from God. All the 6 geopolitical zones, all the 36 states of the Federation, including the FCT, are now singing Peter Obi, Peter Obi, Peter Obi. And that is the essence of us. What we are just doing right now is the inauguration of the FCT campaign team. We have over 800 support groups that came together and said, we are sick and tired of Nigeria. We are sick and tired of this government, and we want to take it by ourselves. And by the special grace of God, 25th February 2023 will shock a lot of people.
Okay, your advice for electorate?
My advice for electorate, I don't even need to advise the electorate because they have already advised themselves. There are the people piloting this thing you are seeing. These are the electorates, the market women, the labor leaders, the school children, every other aspect of the departments of this country.
Before, we've seen parties, just 2 parties, the PDP and APC, giving us recycled candidates. And electorates are left with no option than to either vote for PDP or APC. But this time around, we have an emerging leader that emerged from the people, the people's choice. So I am telling the electorate that at this election, don't allow anybody to intimidate you. And the message that if Peter Obi wins, nobody's going to give to him is a lie. The voters, our vote is our strength. Let's come out en masse and vote for the choice of the people. Let's vote for Peter Obi because from all his antecedents, he is a better candidate. He has told us he's going to move us from consumption to production. These are not just mere words. These are things that he has done in his antecedents, and they are speaking for him. So please, Nigerians, this is the opportunity for us to take back our country. It is not like 2019 where you are having PDP and APC and you are not having any other choice. Now there is a choice. A third force has emerged. The third force to change the narrative. Go and grab it. Go take our country back.
I'm encouraging women to come out so that we fight this battle together, so that we make sure the new Nigeria will come up in 2023. I encourage women, wherever you are, whatever you are doing, you can see what is going on in Nigeria. It's we that women that come out and fight this battle, so that this country will be a better place. Because the killing is too much. Let us support Obi and Dati, and Ireti, King Kibe, and Chinedu, Joy in this FCT. We women, we are coming out. We are preparing to go to grassroots to fetch our women that are suffering. Suffering is too much. Women cannot go to market. They cannot go to farm to get something. Things are very bad. So I'm here to say that women, we should come out and fight this battle. Women, as you're hearing me now, wherever you are, if you're in the market, in this campaign, you will come out. You will come out so that we make sure that new Nigeria will come up in 2023.
We are the party to beat. It's becoming manifest every day for the simple reason that the party, LP, is people-driven. It is organic. Our membership is everywhere. In fact, we don't even know how to start to count. It's like counting the hairs on the head. We are the leading political party in Nigeria today.
So that's giving the assurance that
Of-
you will win. You know that in the FCT,
Yes.
we have a PDP and a APC in charge of this zone. So how do you intend?
You see, we are where we are today because of these very terrible political parties you just mentioned. In fact, in better climes, they should not even present candidates for election. They would have just disappeared and welcome the victory of Labour Party. And that is what will happen in this election, 2023. They have absolutely nothing to offer. They are failures. It is very clear. Even to themselves, they say it. The only thing they have is that they have stolen money, which they think they will use to deceive Nigerians. But that time has passed. We are looking forward to a new and better Nigeria under P2B and Dati, with our National Assembly candidates who will emerge victorious. Hajia Ireti Kingibe for Senate, Honorable Chinedu Obika for House of Representatives, Abuja North, and Honorable Joy Ohiomore for House of Representatives, Abuja South. We are good to go.
My name is Comrade Farouk Dasama. I'm the Deputy State Chairman, FCT Labour Party. Actually, my dream and my hope for the electorate is, number one, today they have started collecting their voters card. Those who registered newly should please go and collect their voters card. And those that have their voters card already, they should make sure on the 25th of February, they should be the first to be in the line, to be the first to vote, so that you have time after voting, you go by the side and watch. Defend your vote, follow it, and make sure anytime you vote, make sure they press that send. Without pressing that send, there is a problem. But even if there is no light, once they press that send, it means your vote has been counted. So most importantly is make sure you vote and make sure they press that send, that send, that send. Do it. And make sure when you are voting, you vote Mama, Papa, Pikin. Also, our members who are Labour Party members, be aware of there is another party, Zenith Labour Party, who have human beings. But the difference here is those are 5 human beings. A Labour Party is 3 human beings, Papa, Mama, Pikin. In that other one, they are climbing stairs. If you see them climbing stairs, don't follow them. Because we are down, we want to start from the grassroots. So if you vote, make sure they press that send. Once that send is key in, it means your vote will count. Thank you so much. And I pray for the government to allow free, fair, and credible election. If that is allowed, we are okay. That is just what we want.